Hi there, students. Mealy-mouthed. Mealy-mouthed, a compound adjective. Well, it could be with a hyphen or it could be just all one word as well. I think I'd give it a hyphen. So, an adjective. It means when you're not brave enough to directly say what you mean. Yeah, to be direct and honest. So I think being mealy-mouthed is the British disease. Yeah, the British don't really like to say what they mean. They're always afraid they might upset someone. Don't give me any more of these mealy-mouthed excuses. Or I hate these mealy-mouthed politicians who never say anything directly. Yeah, they're so mealy-mouthed. They avoid speaking frankly. They avoid being straightforward and direct. Yeah, so not plain, not straightforward. Yeah. So what do I think of your picture? It's very interesting. It's very different. It's unusual. I hate the damn thing. Yeah? Okay. But I'm being mealy-mouthed. Yeah? So, mealy-mouthed, not outspoken, not being blunt and direct, not wanting to say the facts in a simple, direct words. Yeah? To be very euphemistic. Yeah? Avoiding direct plain language. Yeah, avoid calling a spade, to beat around the bush, to be mealy-mouthed. Yeah, okay, so mealy-mouthed, euphemistic, hesitant, insincere, mincing, equivocal. Yeah, when you negotiate with these people, you cannot afford to be mealy-mouthed. You want to go directly to what you think and say exactly what you think. Come on, let's not be mealy-mouthed about it. Let's speak clearly, plainly and straightly about it. Yeah? I don't want any more of these mealy-mouthed excuses. Yeah, so somebody who's mealy-mouthed, they speak evasively. They're very indirect. They're not forthright. Okay? So, yeah, when listening to the British, very often you need to think about what they actually mean, not exactly what they're saying. You need to read between the lines. Yeah, so unwilling to state facts and opinions. Yeah, to avoid giving your direct answer. It's absolutely awful. No, the British don't say that. It could be better, dear. Yeah. The standard is not quite your normal. Yeah, but if you use mealy-mouthed, you're being disapproving. You're saying this person can't speak straight. They can't stand up for themselves. Yeah, they're always just beating around the bush and not saying things directly. As to formality, mealy-mouthed, I think I'm going to give it a 4.5, 4.75 in the formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally when speaking, semi-formally when writing. I'm wondering about using it very formally. I think probably not very formally. And then as to origin, well, meal. Well, you know the meaning of meal as in food, but meal is also the coarse ground parts of seeds. For example, cornmeal. This is corn that's been ground but very roughly. It's been broken up, but it's not very fine like a flour. It's much more coarse than that. Wholemeal bread. So the edible part of the seed is actually whole, or oatmeal as well. Yeah, these are examples of meal. And then I guess this word meal comes from Proto-Germanic, mela, from Proto-Indo-European me, to measure. Okay, so if somebody's not calling a spade, they're beating around the bush. They're being just so mealy-mouthed. This is a great word to use in your essays. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mealy-mouthed.